Kimi K2.6 has 1 trillion parameters. Even compressed as small as possible, it still needs about 250 gigabytes of memory to run. That rules out your laptop, and almost everyone else's. But Ollama still lets you use it through the cloud. In this video, you'll install Ollama, sign in to Ollama Cloud, run Kimi K2.6, and set up an API key for your own scripts. First, install Ollama. On Mac or Linux, run this one line in your terminal. curl fssl, the Ollama install script, piped into sh. On Windows, just download the installer from ollama.com/download. Check it worked with Ollama -- version. You need version 0.6 or higher for cloud models to work. Next, sign in to Ollama Cloud. Type Ollama sign in. This opens your browser. Create a free account or login, then approve the device. Your terminal confirms you're signed in. No payment information needed. Cloud models are free within Ollama's usage limits. Now, run Kimi K2.6. Type Ollama run Kimi -K-2-.6:cloud. Ollama pulls a tiny manifest, just a few kilobytes, not the model itself. Then you're in a live prompt. Try asking it something like this. Write a Python function that returns the nth Fibonacci number using memoization. The first response takes 10 to 30 seconds while Ollama sets up the cloud session. After that, it streams back at normal speed. One important warning. If you were using the older tags, they are now retired. Ensure your script or agent config is using Kimi-K-2-.6:cloud. You can also keep a small local model alongside Kimi. Pull something like QN3:8b, and Ollama list shows both. One downloaded to your disk, one running in the cloud. Switch between them just by changing the model name. Last step, get an API key for your own projects. Go to ollama.com/settings/keys and create one. Export it as an environment variable. Now any tool that talks to Ollama's local endpoint or the OpenAI compatible endpoint can use Kimi K2.6 with one line. Just point the model name at Kimi K2.6:cloud and set the context length to 256,000 to use its full window. That's the full setup. Install, sign in, run, and connect your own scripts. If your hardware can run a model entirely on its own, the full guide also covers QN3, DeepSeek R1, and GLM 4.6 as local alternatives. The full written guide with every command is linked in the description. Subscribe to our free newsletter for daily AI tool updates.